Good day everyone. Learn how to reinstall Windows Defender or Windows Security if you have disabled it and now you are unable to enable or unable to open. You can reinstall Windows Security. So the very first step here is to do a right click in the start icon, and then we need to go to settings, and this will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. So here at the left hand side we need to go to apps, and then at the very top we can go to installed apps. Now here you need to search security. I'll type SECU, and if you do not see it, you can simply click on system component, and then you can simply go to one system component found. It is under system component, and here you just need to click on this three dots and go to advanced option, and here we need to scroll down and then we need to click on repair. So this will actually repair the Windows security, and then we need to go to the bottom right corner, and then we need to see the shield icon, whether it is there or not. I'll just do a double click on that, and if it's working like this, if you see all the check mark, well and good, and if it doesn't, click on reset. Alright, now this reset should work. It says if system component still isn't working, reset it and then see if that is working fine or not. If it's still not working, restart the computer. A restart is a must. Alright, and if you still have issues, I have two more steps here. So what you can do is click on the search icon. After restart, you see if it's not there. What you can do is you can type PowerShell, and you will find Windows PowerShell 86. So here you need to click on run as administrator and then click on yes, and I will leave a command in the description through which you just need to copy that command and paste it right there by pressing Ctrl V, or you can simply do a right click here and then also you can paste it, the command which I will mention in the description, and then you just need to hit enter, and this will deploy the Microsoft security, the Windows security, and you will be able to use it. The only thing is you need to restart the computer first. See, when we say restart, it is pretty important to restart as well. Alright, so if you still have issues, if you're unable to see the Windows Defender, the final step is to open your Microsoft Store and then type Windows Security, and you will find Microsoft Defender. So you just need to click on that, and you just need to click on Get, and you will be able to open the Microsoft Defender. This is also a security and you can use it here and it should work. So for most of us, the initial two steps will be absolute fine. The only thing is you need to do the same steps as I have done it. So guys, if you have successfully resolved your issue, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please do mention in the comment that yes, it has helped you. Alright, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.